Alright you guys, I made it into Five Below. Look right here, I did find some new canvas bags. Now they're $5. We have SpongeBob and Patrick, but the Jaws one I think is like really cool, something really different. I like that a lot. Cars, Lightning McQueen, and they still have the Wicked handbag, but the Jaws and SpongeBob one, I like this one more. Okay. Pajama bottoms are $7, so you have to pay for the bottoms separate. You know, we have yellow in here, pink and black. There's a cute little bear, and let's see, the polka dot, those are adorable. Slippers, bow, a llama or alpaca. Okay, Deep Dew Spa Life, you can find this brand in TJ Maxx and Marshalls as well. Again, these are $5. Collagen and hyaluronic acid. Honestly, I feel like this is more like for like 10-year-olds who are just having fun, you know. I haven't found a good face mask here. Let's see, you get 10 each. What is this one? Peeling gel, they're like in little packets. Wash off pack, this could be good for maybe after the gym. Berry glow up, coconut boba, eye cream, under eye sprinkles, and that's kind of funny, right? I'm surprised they have that here. And I'm used to seeing this at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. And they have the pink aloe, hydrate and plump, moisturizer and glow, firm and soothe, strawberry, blueberry, bye bye blackhead, and then more strawberry, hydro cleanser. You can find this in Burlington, you guys, don't forget. They're like $3 in Burlington. I'm not too sure how much they are here. They could be 5 or 3. Wicked Spa Band, Nourish and Grow, hair oil and scalp massager. Oh, okay. By Spa Life, Hair Retreat. That's going to be a new one. Castor oil, scalp care, a lot of stuff for your hair. That waffle one. Like a little waffle lip balm. Plenty of these loofahs with the charms. You got the lip one, they're by the brand High. Spa headband, travel, a travel scale, interesting, can hold up to 88 pounds. Huh. Hair removal thing, the little, that's kind of funny. I don't see anything new in the graphic tees. Same Pitbull in here, chicken tendies, Mickey Mouse, Rock Bottom, Britney, Tom and Jerry, I Love Overacting, Maybe I'm the Drama. Okay, yeah, a lot of the same stuff, but you could also make these like off the shoulder, kind of like perfect for summertime, you know what I mean? Sunkiss bronzer drops, rose blush, melty jelly. This kind of reminds me a little bit of Tony Moly. Lip snooze overnight. We have overnight vanilla swirl, watermelon, and strawberry smoothie. Night shift. The night shift under eye mask. It's kind of funny. Pillow pout. These are just for fun. Oh, happy space. Oh, these are happy space. Okay. What is that? Hand sanitizer. Looks like a pineapple. That's new. Pillow pout. This is tinted lip balm, lip gloss. They have glitter in here. 5 mini piece lip oil set. And then some nails. This is cuticle oil collagen. Moroccan rose. These are $5. Hems. Whipped vanilla and coconut cream. Clean Freak dry shampoo. Those are $4 and $4. Oh my gosh. LA Girl nails. Okay. This one's the cute little cherry gem. Okay, that's adorable actually. And check out the strawberry if you like the strawberry. They have pink for you, pink and glitter. Kid nails, little swirl, little heart, little sprinkles. Gloss Away blueberry. This one's vanilla and strawberry. We have Cheeky liquid bronzer. This is lashes. Sugar free. Oh, not sugar free. It looks like sugar free. This is just blush. And then glow setter and lip tint. Oh my gosh, the music and like everyone bouncing the balls kind of throws you off from what you're talking about. So Five Below sells the bouncy balls in a case, which is kind of funny. You get 12 in here. These are neon. And they also have the glitter one. Remember putting like a quarter in? And do you guys remember Peter Pepper Pizza? You spend so many tickets and you get a bouncy ball. That was like everything back in the day. No squishies. I haven't been to a Five Below really with any squishies. Everybody buys them. And these are just all plushies. The pig Olivia is in here. Wow, not as much in this location. Let me go to that back wall right there. Let's see. I just see like a Mountain Dew cup and all like your regular lip balm. Cute soccer charms. A bear with soccer. USA, Spain. These are the fuzzy ones, which are cute. So to go with those clip-on like dolls, like those little monster guys, they have clothing. They also have a backpack to store it in, so you can carry it around everywhere you go. Everywhere you go, you got your little monster friend. Ring pop. This is lip oil, watermelon, Jolly Rancher, Lucky Charms. Okay, these really are just for fun. My daughter used to collect these a lot when she was younger. She was all about lip balm. But these are just mainly for fun. They're really not gonna like, if you got dry lips, not gonna do anything. I don't think I've seen this one. They're more clippies. Oh, these are bubble butts. They're little butts that jiggle. Adventure time. Okay, anything new? Oh, she's here. Collect all 8. Oh, it looks like a lot of you are buying the trolls. This is only Frankenstein, but they had Frankenstein, Chucky. Oh my gosh, Teletubbies. Is that like a Halloween one? Oh my gosh, Dipsy is a pumpkin. I used to watch this show as a kid with my sister. Let me see what the yellow one is. She's a mummy. That's funny. Poe. I feel like everyone goes to Poe. Well, here's Poe right here. The witch one. It's the only one. So funny. Squidward. He's doing like a mom pose. I like to call that the mom pose. More key charms. The bow. You got Winnie the Pooh. Strawberry shortcake. Fart zone. Oh my gosh. The magnet one. That's kind of funny. I've never seen that. The duck and the cookie dunker. Girly pop. Nugs, not drugs. Of course, nugs, not drugs, guys. Drugs ruin everything. I'm gonna tell you this right now. They ruin everything. Okay, shoes, cool. The butt, you squish. Somebody was looking for a corgi keychain. I cannot find one. But see these right here? They have these in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I would check Marshalls first because you get 2 for like $5.99. And they're really cute. Broccoli. Chicken leg, fried chicken. Remove this one. Okay. Cat mom. That's funny. Okay, then you have your pajamas, you guys. But I think this is gonna do it in this location. Dreamy dust. Okay, this is a shimmer body. Shimmering. We got gloss in here. Glow dewdrops. Roll on shimmer. And like golden hour patches. Okay, along with those polka dot shorts, they have like this cheetah one, which I think is cute. And how adorable all the strawberry one. Alright, you guys, that is gonna do it for this Five Below. Came into a new location. I've been going to different locations. Some have more, some have less. It just depends. Please stay safe out there, you guys, and I will see all of you in the next one.